bought the Esporta, we were getting a lot of soft contents claims, but then we started to realize that we were also getting all the other contents on the claim as well from adjusters that we normally weren't getting work from, but they liked the ease of having one contractor, so it actually doubled all of our contents in that entire division. When we go onto a job site, we're very communicative with the homeowner, and also we know the insurance guidelines. And if it's something where we know an adjuster or a situation where we know who we're dealing with, it's pretty easy for us to get permission. We'll take the close. It's easier and better for the customer if we go ahead and get those taken care of quicker. And so we'll go ahead and get that process and taken care of pretty quickly. So initially in our first warehouse, we had the entire thing in about 1,000 square feet. That includes the finishing, drying, everything that comes along with the Esporta. And then after 4 months, we bought a second machine, installed it right beside the other one. It didn't add on anything as far as drying and finishing. But then when our contents division doubled, we had to go and buy a building that was a better warehouse for us. But the cool thing about that is we built an entire state-of-the-art contents room that we can process all of our hard contents and soft contents together, keep all the clean and the dirty separated, and allows us to be more successful and deliver a better product. That room's 3,200 square feet now, so it's a decent sized space, but it fits us perfect with the amount of contents that we do. Well, any company getting into contents, a lot of people think there's a big risk. There is, but if you train your people well and you invest in the people, then you can make really good money at doing contents. And if you're a full service contents provider and you're efficient with the way you do it, then you can deliver a really good product to the customer for the insurance carrier. And I would highly recommend taking advantage of the technology and making things efficient in your business. It ranges, but the average is really about 6,800, somewhere in that area. It ranges based on the amount of jobs that we have, and last year we had a lot of water jobs, which brought that average down just a tad. But then you'll have a $50,000 soft contents claim, and you'll have really good margins on those jobs. So we do all types of jobs, mold, Category 3. We have adjusters that know that if it's a Category 3 situation, they're going to call us immediately. They've got that, they've got us on speed dial for that. We also process turnout gear for the fire department, and that allows us to have a relationship in the community that puts our personal brand out there and allows us to, really market Cornerstone in a metro area that has a lot of contractors. So we also use the service as a way to gain market share and get our personal branding out there.
Audio Jungle.